Hey guys, JdizzEats, and today we'll be doing some bloopers for how to make ice buko since I don't have any videos planned besides this one. So hope you guys enjoy the bloopers for how to make ice buko. If you guys enjoy, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and share. But further ado guys, enjoy my bloopers. Today we are gonna teach you on how to make some ice buko. What is ice buko is? It's coconut with coconut strips, So what ice buko is? It's with coconut streams, condensed milk, and some beans in there, optional, and some milk in there. Oh. What is ice buko is? It's coconut. It's with coconut strips, coconut strings. Then mix it before it doubles size. Pour at least half. Guys, this will be exciting because this ice buko is gonna be amazing and yummy. It's gonna be creamy.
Oh my god! Wow!
Guys, this ice